We'll guide you through how to unblock ChatGPT so you can get back to your conversations without any hassle. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you are facing a block or restriction, it could be due to various reasons, such as security settings or account issues. To start troubleshooting, check if your browser has any extensions or plugins that might be blocking ChatGPT. You can do this by going into your browser settings and looking under the Extensions or Add-ons section. Temporarily disable any that seem suspicious and refresh the ChatGPT page to see if that resolves the issue. If you're still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can often resolve connectivity problems. In Chrome, you can do this by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner, selecting More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Once you've done that, restart your browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. Should the problem persist, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable, as an unstable connection can also block access. If you're connected to a VPN, try disconnecting it to see if that helps, since some VPNs can interfere with site access. Lastly, if none of these steps work, reach out to OpenAI support for assistance. Sometimes there might be account-specific issues that only they can resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.